In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to replace the LCD on a Dell 3110 2-in-1 touch. The tools required for this repair will be the hand screwdriver with the PZ00 head, metal spudger, different sets of tweezers, and the grounding bracelet, all found within the toolkit. To begin, you'll want to flip over the unit and remove the bottom cover. You'll start by unscrewing the bottom. The screws do not pop out of the bottom cover and will stay with it. We'll then take the metal spudger, insert it in the top corner, twist, and you'll slowly hear popping sounds as the bottom cover is removed. You'll then want to locate the battery cable, which will be here, and then pull it straight out as to not damage the prongs in the battery port itself or the battery cable. Then reattach the bottom cover, flip over the unit, open it, and then insert your spudger on the top right in between the LCD and the top cover. You'll then twist as you hear popping, which will indicate the loosening, and eventually it'll pop right off. It is attached by two cables, one for the sensor board and for the LCD itself, both of which will need to be unplugged. Sensor board just pops right out. The LCD cable has this little prong to ensure that it doesn't get removed. You'll flip that up and then pull the cable straight out. Once you have your new LCD, lay it flat. Slowly insert the LCD cable. Flip down the prong, and then take the sensor cable and easily reattach that. We'll then flip the LCD up and press at the corners until you hear a pop, and then go around the rim to ensure that the LCD is reattached properly. Then flip over the unit, take the bottom cover back off, reattach the battery, take the bottom cover, place it as so, and screw the bottom cover back in. To verify our repair, we'll flip the unit over, open it, and then plug in a 45-watt charger. Then the unit should come on automatically. Purely by the screen coming on, we can see that the LCD is functional, and by testing scrolling function, the touch screen is also functional.